Hey everyone, MrTass here. Got a couple reviews I'm going to do. This is an item I purchased myself. I was looking for a dual monitor extension portable option for my laptop, and I settled on this guy versus the kind that attached to the back. But this is the HotYeah triple laptop screen extender. It's 15.6 inch monitors, 1080p, 60 hertz. Does say it can do 180 rotation. Now I bought the Windows only version, but there is a version that's Windows and Mac compatible. And you can see here it's listed at $275 and you can get a $20 coupon. Or right there, if you're logged in as Prime, you can get it for $219, which is what I did, and a 10% coupon, which made it $199 for this two monitor 15.6 inch, which is a great deal on a 15.6. The kind that attaches to the back of a laptop are usually $300 by comparison. And then the Windows and Mac version is about $50 more on Prime. So we're going to get this opened up and check it out, but let's just scroll the features here. So it says 23.8 total inches, 16 by 9. This is set for just Windows, and it should work with one USB-C cable. The monitor's foldable. You can stand it upright. You can see here 14-inch version that attaches to the back. It's $274. Decent reviews, so let's just get into it and let's see what we've got working with here so then I can start using it. So this is the box. Model number is S156A10D. Wins only, which means Windows only. Again, by HotYeah portable monitor. You can see here. Looks like it has a USB-A to USB-C, a USB-C to C, and a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, and a power adapter, user guide. But I think if you use the C to C, you don't need the power adapter separate, but we'll find out. So model number, and right here, IPS LCD screen, 1000:1 contrast ratio, 1920 by 1080, 6500K temp, 300 brightness, 16.7 million color, visual angles, looks like 89 degrees, and the dimensions right there. But what does it look like inside? And how easy is it to use? So I will be traveling to CES 2025. I'm really excited about that. But I'm a multi-monitor person. Anybody that's seen my setup knows I have a lot of monitors. I have Mission Central. So I'd like to keep that when I travel. So I'm hoping this will accomplish that for me. Let's go ahead and open up. All right, so you've got foam that's kind of stuck on there, padding on top. You get a HotYeah 15.6 full HD monitor. Support email, general usage. We'll set that aside. Yeah. Ooh, that's actually pretty thin. That's nice. All right, we'll get to you in a minute. Let's see what we got down here. So you get a box. In that box, you get a power brick, which is, you can see it here, power brick. Output is 5 volt, 3 amp. So it's a 15 watt power output. There's that USB mini to the full HDMI. We've got USB-A to USB-C, and then USB-C to USB-C, which is what I'm going to try to use with the laptop I've got here. And we'll see what happens. And there is nothing else in the box. So this does not come with a bag or anything that way. So if you're traveling, you'll put it in your laptop bag, or you might be able to buy a separate bag for it. It feels nice. I mean, this is metal. It feels solid, heavy duty. You can see here, so there's the flip out stand on it. Product monitor, serial. It's got speakers, looks like here, and VESA mounts. These are smaller screws, but it does have the VESA mounts. Rubber feet on the bottom there. And so if we open it, move that more center here. There you go. That's nice. It's actually pretty nice. Let's go ahead and pop the little stand out. So with the stand out, you can actually, so if you're doing a presentation with someone, you could turn it this way and have it that way. You could stand it upright on the table. A lot of different options for the screen setup. We're going to put that there. You can see all its glory. All right. And it's stable. I mean, it's holding wherever I'm putting it on the hinge. Let's go ahead and plug it in to USB-C and see what happens. Because that's the real test. Oops, that's the USB-A. Let's go C to C. Pop the little caps off. And I'm going to plug it in. You have two USB-Cs and one HDMI mini. Plug that in. See what it does. Oh, there we go. Looks like, bam, two monitors. Look at that. Now, where are they? Oh, over here. Let me just drag this. So this is going to be fun. Okay, let me do this. We're going to go here. We go display settings. I want you to be able to see the display settings. So I already have one extra monitor connected up to this laptop. So if I'm going to do identify, this is now 2 and 3, and I've got 1 is a laptop and 4 is a monitor that I have above the laptop. So let's just pretend 2 is going to move right up to there. Oh, over. There we go. And 4, move you over. I'm doing this on the top one because that's just the monitor I've got. It's hard to do this upside down, let me just tell you, but we'll work it out. Okay, so if I do that and apply, now you can see I can move it in between the two monitors there. And I've got it set as this is just two separate monitors. You can also, I think, set it as a joint monitor, but this is great. One USB-C cable, and I've got two monitors here. And if I make this draggable, it doesn't want to be draggable. I can't see it to make it draggable. Let me get a window that I can actually see. There we go. You remember our Amazon order that we had? The Amazon listing. And so yeah, you could put it, really is difficult to do this backwards and upside down. There we go. So you can drag it down, and you could have this over two monitors if you wanted it tall. And the brightness is actually pretty good when you get it in the right light. Let's just turn it this way. So you could change the orientation of this. So you have two tall monitors. And again, you can just, a lot of flexibility. Let's see how far back it goes. Oh, it goes all the way. So you can literally do back-to-back monitor there. And let me just look at it myself as a monitor. I'm going to just put it flat here. There we go. And it's nice. I don't think there are any, oh, hey, look at that. We do have controls over here for monitor 1 and monitor 2. So we can actually, there are controls. So you can adjust the picture, the contrast, color for each monitor separately. And right now it's actually only at 50% brightness. So let's see if we can up that brightness. There we go. Let's do that to this one too. Picture. Nope. Oops. That That was changing the orientation. Type C. Picture brightness. There we go. So I've now maxed out the brightness on both panels. Makes them definitely a lot easier to read. But you can change the contrast, you can change so I can switch. So this button here rotates. So I rotated it around to the other direction. That's cool. Go back for me now. And the only one that has rotation is this top one. So you could rotate it if you had it flipped this way. Then you would rotate it, and now you've got it facing both ways, the right way. So good to know, good setting to be aware of. It's nice that it has brightness settings. It does have rubber padded feet on the bottoms here and there, so if you did turn it upright, you can use it. Overall, I think I'm going to be very happy with this monitor. I like that it came with the power supply, not that I'm going to need it, because I'm going to use the USB-C. But give it a go, give it a check. I'll leave a link. It won't be an affiliate link because this one doesn't allow affiliate, but still, if you want to check it out and get one yourself, have at it. Thanks.